Hi everybody, this is how you're going to do the introductory pen tool lesson. So first, open Adobe Illustrator and hit Create New. We just want the standard letter size. Hit Create again. Alright, then you have your screen with your workspace. If you don't have a very big screen like me, you can use the hand to move over the document. Now we're working with a pen tool, and like I said in an introduction, you can easily make these shapes, with the various tools that already come with Illustrator. That sort of defeats the purpose of this exercise. So keep in mind, this exercise is for you to improve, so just do it the right way first. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is make a circle. So you click and drag. These Bezier handles will help you make a curve. Click and drag very slowly. Click and drag, and then stop. Now to get out of the pen tool and move on to something else, you just hit Escape twice or 3 times and it'll let it go. So there's my circle with a slight opening. If I want to adjust that and make it more circle-like, I can get that white arrow tool and move the Bezier handles. And you can shorten one side. You can move the dots around. It ain't perfect, but it'll do for now. Okay, with that same spirit, do the same with a box. One thing that's a quick trick for drawing right angles in Illustrator is hold down the Shift key. It'll automatically keep that line straight. So if you're a little intimidated by this assignment, that's a good one to start with. Alright, I hit Escape a bunch of times. Now I've got my square with the little opening. Next is a triangle. Sort of the same thing as, everything else. Escape, escape, escape. Give me my... Alright, very good. Alright, and let me see what else. I forgot what I wrote on here already. Straight line and wavy line. Alright, so going back to Illustrator. Straight line, easy enough. Another good one to start with. Hold down the Shift key to make it straight if you need to. And then the last thing is the wavy line. I like the wavy line because you're just playing with these Bezier curves. Now remember, click once and then drag your finger or your mouse out a little. Drag, 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 drag. Escape, escape, escape. And there's my assignment. So from here, if you, for extra credit, if you wanted to do something interesting with these shapes, like, you could make a sailboat or something, please go for it. Now I want to save this as a JPEG to upload it. So I go to File, which I'm not sure you can see, but it's at the very top of your computer screen. Save As. And don't choose Save As because it's not under Save As. You want to go to File, Export, Export As, and the top one is PNG. If you make that mistake and use that, that'll be fine, but I'm looking for JPEG. And I'm just going to call this pen tool, and then export it to your desktop. Color model, get in the habit of choosing RGB, but if you forget that, that is okay. Alright, and then from here you upload it to the Dropbox. You don't have to worry about putting your name on the file because your name is attached to your Dropbox submission. Alright, I'm sure I'm looking at you in the classroom, so if you need any help, let me know.